Hi guys, Matt Douglas here from CoolDrive Auto Parts. We're here today to begin the training on the ADAS systems for cars, to learn how ADAS works, to understand how we do the calibrations for the ADAS systems. We're also here to learn about diesel common rail systems, which we're seeing more and more of, and the complexities around, including DPF and EGR systems, and basically anything to do with diesel emission systems going forward, which we see in day-to-day in workshop has been a problem. Plus we've got more modern vehicle technology, understanding the new systems that we're expecting to see in the petrol engines, and much, much more. To ensure you are prepared to be a workshop of the future, keep an eye out for future CoolDrive specialist training events and other training events that are happening.